Welcome back to CodeMind. So the guys, next is the very much important topic, that is the formulas in the Google Sheet. Almost all formula which we can implement into our local software, any MS Excel or any LibreOffice, we can apply that same function into our Google Sheets, right? So we will see how we can apply a function into our Excel sheet. So this is very important topic. Hope you guys will enjoy it. So let's create a table of monthly sales. For example, I have a month and a sale. Let's create a month. That's why I have started with the Jan, Feb, March. Then I have a till December, right? So I have a something near about, for example, 50, 200, 300, 400, some kind of values I have. So I just pick up the random values and yeah, perfect. So for example, I want to implement the first formula, that is sum, right? How can we do that? Just equal to every formula into the Google Sheet started from equal to, right? So we have to start with equal to sum. Then you're starting, you can do sum of two value as well, and you can do multiple values, and you can do the sum of a range as well. So I first of all I will do the sum of D2 plus D3, right? 150 and 200. You guys can see it's a 350. Let me bold it. D2 plus D3. Clear? This is sum. And next is I want to sum of some particular multiple value with comma separated. How can I do that? Just for example, D2 comma D6 comma D8, right? So we can see now 150, 150, 300 should be 600. So this is how much beautiful it is, right? So for example, so this is D3, D2 comma D6, or we can see here D6 and D8, 6 D8. So for example, I want to do the sum of a particular range. How can I do that? Very easy. Same way, equal to sum D2 colon D30. You guys can see now entire range has been highlighted. I will press and you guys can see the sum of range, right? So the same way I can implement the different functions as well, right? For example, I want to insert the next function, that is average. How can I do that? Simple, equal to average, right? So the already you guys will get the highlighted the auto popped up help from the Google Sheet, so you guys can click on that as well. So but my recommendation, just practice with your keyboard and D2 and D30. Clear? I think this is something bad happened. I missed D, right? Here you guys can see here now I have selected and I want to select the average. So this is my average. That is how I can get the average of my entire record. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep practicing about the functions, and if you guys have any query, question, just comment into the comment box, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel, and share this video with your friends, colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.